This is the best screen recorder that you can use to record your screen and also edit your videos directly. So some people say that OBS Studio is complicated, and this is the option that you can use. It is screen to video, and let's see what this can do for you. So with this, you can record, edit, and share your videos in a very easy way. You don't need complicated softwares to edit your videos. It's beginner friendly, and anyone who wants to record some courses or some tutorials, you can use this recorder and edit your videos directly. You can also add your own personal touches like sound system and also webcam. It is very nice for webcam because it's so smooth and sophisticated. So what are some of the features of this screen recorder? So let's check out what you can do with this screen recorder. So the first one is to record your screen. You can capture an application window, a chosen area, or your entire screen with just one click. You don't need to keep making some settings like OBS Studio. Also, it has a built-in editor. You can create amazing videos, adding text, shapes, also sounds and videos and animation as you even record, and export them as MP4 videos. It's quite simple, and it's also for people who are not really good in editing using sophisticated softwares like Adobe or any other complicated software. So if you want, you can check out the link in the description to check out this screen recorder. So as you can see, this home page where you will do the recording. You can see there's a quick record and edit. It's simple, just for beginners, and anyone can do it. So you can record your screen with just one click, record webcam, add voice over narration, and also capture sound played by your computer with just a click. It doesn't have many settings that are complicated. So another one is editing. You can see the face of where you will be editing, the overview. It's very simple. You can crop, trim, and split the screen recording, add professional transition, zoom areas to focus on, and also customize effects to your videos, text, images, and shape, and bring lifetime animation. So with this, you can do all those, and you see it's a user-friendly screen that you'll be using. It doesn't have many settings like any other apps. So what you need to do is to check out the link in the description and check out this software that you can use to record and edit your videos at a go. So this is best for businesses, students, and also office. So how much is this? It goes for around $50, and it's a one-time payment. And every day you'll get updates that you don't need to buy again. You only need one payment option, and with this you will get a full featured recorder and editor, lifetime access, in-app and website support, and Windows compatibility. You can also upload and share videos from Google Drive. So let's see some of the reviews from people who have already used this application. It has a 5-star reviews, and let's check out. I used this tool that was not as fast with limited edit option. This one does the terrific job with plenty of features, and it's a one-time payment. Most of these other screen recorders require you to pay a monthly payment. It's quite expensive. You can just read this for yourself, guys. If you check the link in the description, you will see what people are saying from this screen to video recorder. As you can see, even the owner replies to their customers, meaning that it's someone responsible for your success. Perfect, easier than OBS and others. You can see for those two functions, it works perfectly. So that's why I suggest that you check out this. It's so beginner. They offer to remove silence features. Yes. Wow. I purchased this application back in 2021. I literally use it daily. I make what I call proof of work videos and upload them to client sites. So guys, someone has been using this application for the last 3 years. So you can check out, and I'm sure you will really appreciate this. You can see the owner of this screen recorder replies to everything. This is someone say yes. And if you want to get started with this, check out the link in description, and you'll have access to this screen recorder that you can use to edit your videos at a go.